Have you been thinking of buying a vacation home? Maybe somewhere close to the water or a cabin up in the mountains? It'll be nice to have that getaway, right? And doing Airbnb regularly can be quite expensive. In this video, I will be sharing 5 questions that you can ask yourself to help you decide whether buying a vacation home is the smart move. First question you want to ask yourself is, can I afford it? Once you find a property that you like, add up all the costs that are associated with owning this property. Start with a monthly mortgage, which is the principal and interest. Add up the property taxes, homeowner's insurance. If you live close to the water, you might think about getting flood insurance as well, and the monthly maintenance costs that might be associated with owning this property. Now, let's say all of this adds up to $700 a month, for example, and if you have $700 a month to spare in your budget, then it looks like you can afford it. Or maybe you actually have the cash to buy this property outright. Then the second question that you can ask yourself is, will it derail my other goals? Will it derail my other goals? So for example, if you're thinking about buying this cabin in Lake Michigan, which you really enjoy going with your family, and if you buy this property outright, let's say it's $100,000, then if you compute your retirement scenarios, usually you might want to seek help with a financial planner in doing this. And you discover that if you do this, you might delay your retirement by 1.5 to 2 years. Just having those numbers in front of you can help you decide whether or not this cabin that you're thinking about is really important for you, that it's okay to delay that retirement goal of yours, or maybe that's too much of a trade-off. The third question you may want to ask yourself is, how often do I plan to use this? So I just came back from a camping trip at Assateague Island in Maryland with some of my friends, and I just really had a blast. I have to tell you, I just really enjoyed being close to the water, enjoying that ocean breeze, and seeing actual stars at night because there's less light pollution there. And I thought to myself, you know, Alvin, I can't just be doing this once a year. It's only 3 hours away. I should be spending time here like once a month or once every 2 months. So if you have that property where you've been to that area and you really like going there, it energizes you, and you feel like you're probably gonna be there once a month on a weekend and an extended period during the summer, then that's another point towards saying yes towards that vacation home. The fourth question you may want to ask yourself is it less costly to buy this property or to rent this property? So one good way of doing this exercise is think about your last mini vacation. So let's say you spent around $1,000 renting a cabin up at the Adirondack Mountains for 5 days with your spouse and 2 kids. You thoroughly enjoyed it. Now, if you find a similar cabin or property in that area and your monthly mortgage total plus other expenses is only $700 a month, and you plan to use this at least once a month, then looks like buying is going to be less costly compared to renting, and you're also building up equity over time. Then that's another point towards saying yes towards this vacation home. The fifth and final question that you may want to ask yourself is, am I willing to take care of another property? When you own something, it'll demand a small portion of your time. So if you get a car, you'll need to wash it every now and then, take it to the dealer or mechanic. If you buy another property, then things will break down and you'll need time to fix it or find someone else to fix it. So just make sure that you're okay with that. After answering all those 5 questions and you still feel strongly about buying that vacation home and you'd like some practical tips on how to save for that 20% down payment, then check out our video on how to save more money in 2020.